One buffet scored 33 out of 100 from health inspectors, and people still walked in. Local news showed week-old food, hidden violations, and a dining room that told its own story. What drives people to keep eating at places like this? Before we jump in, tap that like button and subscribe to Clean Bite. It helps more food lovers find these stories. And trust me, today's list gets wild fast. Let's uncover 10 buffets you should avoid at all costs, and the 2 rare ones that earn the risk. 10. Royal Hibachi Buffet. A buffet promising halal meats, fresh sushi, and a hibachi grill sounds like a dream setup. But online, this place becomes a cautionary tale. Royal Hibachi Buffet in Saddlebrook starts strong with a concept that wins hearts. Full halal menu, family pricing, and buffet-style freedom. Local posts on Instagram show colorful platters, cheerful families, and a setup that feels community-driven. Many early diners leave glowing reviews. That's where the twist begins. Behind those smiles are hundreds of furious comments buried deeper in review threads. A viral YouTube series specializing in low-rated buffets picks this exact spot from a Yelp search. What they find isn't pretty. Chewy meats, cold noodles, and sushi that looks like it sat waiting way too long. Peak hours bring chaotic lines and overstuffed trays. After the rush, the same food sits out, barely touched by staff. One reviewer claims their fish was still half frozen in the middle. Another says the chicken wings tasted like leftovers from a different restaurant. But here's the twist, the buffet gets better if you show up early. Some swear that 11 a.m. service transforms the experience. Fresh batches arrive hot, and the staff seems energized. Timing, they say, is everything. This becomes the key lesson. Strong marketing and food variety can't cover weak consistency. The next entry pulls us deeper into roulette territory, where dinner quality swings wildly, even hour to hour. 9. Imperial Buffet. From outside, Imperial Buffet in Connecticut looks like every other strip mall feast spot. Inside, it flips between a comfort meal and a dice roll. Located on the Berlin Turnpike, Imperial Buffet becomes one of those places where locals feel divided. Some remember family dinners and fast service. Others warn of half-empty trays, missing seafood, and shellfish that taste off. One diner even posted about nearly breaking a tooth on what they thought was a crab shell. Online, its average sits somewhere in the middle. But scroll further and patterns emerge. Oysters that never arrive, crab legs gone by 6:30, and shrimp that feel slimy to the touch. On some nights, the place impresses. Clean tables, refilled trays, smiling staff. On others, it barely survives expectations. One guest described it as playing buffet bingo with your stomach. The root problem? The fixed price model. You walk in with hopes high, and every disappointing bite feels like a betrayal. If you came for seafood night, finding one dry dumpling hurts more than usual. Next up, we head to Vegas, where buffets are supposed to feel like dreams. Instead, one feels like a parody of its former self. 8. Circus Buffet. In a city known for golden pyramids and seafood fountains, Circus Buffet manages to disappoint in spectacular fashion. Back in 1946, the first Vegas buffet opened at El Rancho. $1 bought endless food and kept gamblers inside longer. It worked, and it changed everything. Fast forward to now, and Circus Circus leans on that old magic. But at the Circus Buffet, magic leaves the building by lunchtime. With 2 stars on Yelp and barely 3 elsewhere, Circus Buffet finds itself at the bottom of every major Vegas buffet ranking. Customers describe pancakes that bounce, scrambled eggs that squeak, and pizza crusts harder than the plate they sit on. One food vlogger said he paid for breakfast and walked out with just coffee. The rest he called inedible dorm food with casino lighting. Visitors expecting Vegas excess meet a single hot table and soggy French toast. Reviews point to aging decor, slow refills, and prices that no longer match the quality. Circus Buffet shows what happens when a brand outlives its ambition. But this story doesn't end here. Just up the highway, another buffet shows how timing can completely change the game. Again. 7. King Buffet, Carson City. At 11 a.m., the trays at King Buffet shimmer with fresh stir-fry and juicy prawns. By 8 p.m., those same trays might leave you questioning every bite. Located just off a main highway, King Buffet in Carson City relies on early traffic. Reviews hover near 3 stars, with some praising its Mongolian grill and crispy vegetables. But the deeper you read, the more patterns pop up. Midday diners talk about friendly staff, hot dishes, and solid variety. Evening diners describe half-empty stations, mystery sauces, and seafood that seems tired of being there. One regular said, "Go at 3:30 or stay home." The wild part is the food itself doesn't change. The freshness window does. That huge tray of prawns from lunch becomes a wilted warning by dinner. And once you know that, every average rating feels like a trap. If you're still watching, now's a good time to hit like and subscribe, because from here on, these buffets stop being funny and start getting serious. Next comes the sister location. Different city, same name. But now the stakes jump from disappointing to possibly unsafe. 6. King Buffet, Rhino in Rhino. King Buffet's reviews take a sharp turn. This isn't about freshness, it's about fear. Across TripAdvisor and Yelp, the restaurant sits near the bottom. One post simply reads, "Run." Others go further, describing chicken that feels cold in the center, sauces that taste recycled, and seafood with smells that chase you into the parking lot. It's not just one bad night either. A local forum pins King Buffet as one of the city's worst reviewed restaurants, and one commenter even jokes, "It feels like a front because people keep going despite the noise." Why? The price is low, the setup looks big from the street, and routine beats risk for some locals. But one Yelp user wrote, "This place taught me the value of online reviews." So what happens when a buffet leans too hard on low-cost seafood to draw people in? Our next entry shows that sometimes the crab legs you crave turn into the exact reason you regret going. 5. City Buffet, Rockford big signs. Bold letters, unlimited crab legs. City Buffet sells a fantasy. Then the plates arrive. This Rockford location carries one of the lowest buffet ratings in the state, averaging just over 2 stars. From the outside, it blends in. Inside, visitors find sticky floors, disorganized trays, and seafood that feels like it spent the afternoon thawing. One diner warned others to check the fish texture before chewing. Another described the shrimp as wet napkins with tails. The health department has reportedly received multiple complaints about cleanliness, and a few customers say it feels like nobody is watching the kitchen. Seafood night draws the biggest crowd and the biggest regret. People line up for a luxury they rarely get, only to walk away poking at cold crab legs and dry rice. And here's where psychology comes in. When you pay more for premium nights, the pressure to enjoy it rises. That makes every soggy bite hurt twice. Next up, we fly west, where a Los Angeles buffet tries to serve the city's appetite, but ends up overwhelmed by its own success. 4. New Panda Buffet, Los Angeles. 2,000 reviews, a 4-star average. On paper, New Panda Buffet looks untouchable, but numbers can hide more than they reveal. Located on Obama Boulevard, this buffet caters to massive crowds daily. Inside, it feels alive. Rows of dumplings, glazed wings, garlic shrimp, snow crab legs. Diners praise the value, the endless options, and how fast the trays refill. But when you scan through the review dates, another story emerges. Some nights, everything clicks. Other nights, rice comes crusty, chicken overcooked, shrimp rubbery. Dirty dishes pile up. Servers move like they're dodging chaos, not managing it. And if you arrive late, your plate might resemble leftovers more than dinner. One reviewer compared it to a food court run by a roulette wheel. "You win or you leave mad," they wrote. Another pointed out how busy nights often lead to overcooked batches that get dumped instead of replaced. In truth, New Panda fights a numbers war. Feeding hundreds a night means every missed detail spreads fast. One bad tray becomes 100 bad bites. And that's where volume becomes the enemy. Just up north, another buffet draws people in with charm and koi fish. But nostalgia isn't enough when the kitchen cuts corners. 3. New Tin Tin Buffet, Medford. It starts with a pond full of koi and ends with a plate you're not sure about. That's the roller coaster at New Tin Tin Buffet in Medford. Kids adore the setup. There's sushi, fortune cookies, fried rice, and fish you can feed with a quarter from a gumball machine. Parents talk about the memories, the birthday parties, and the friendly staff. And yet, with over 1,000 reviews, patterns of disappointment run just beneath the surface. Look closer, and diners mention fried food tasting like old oil, shrimp that feel dry inside, and trays that go untouched for too long. One reviewer said their egg roll snapped like a cracker. Another said their stomach didn't forgive them for hours. The ice cream machine, a crowd favorite, seems to work only half the time. And while kids love the place, adults start to wonder if the charm distracts from the corners being cut. If this list's blowing your mind so far, drop a like and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this. The next one? You won't believe the health score. What happens next is the opposite. No charm, no koi. Just a shocking number that shows how bad things can get when inspections speak louder than words. 2. China Buffet, Miami. In a decade, most restaurants get inspected maybe 20 times. China Buffet in Miami, 46 times, with 546 violations. That number stops you. And when you realize that health officials kept returning again and again, you start to understand the scale. Reports mention roaches crawling near food trays, flies hovering near meats, and food stored at temperatures that invite bacteria instead of customers. A local news station, WPLG, aired multiple stories. In one, a journalist walks in with a camera. A staff member physically tries to block the camera. That moment became a symbol. Transparency wasn't welcome, but problems kept multiplying. On Yelp, diners describe smells that ruin your appetite before you even sit down. Others post pictures of raw-looking meats, greasy floors, and dim lights that feel more horror than hospitality. China Buffet draws in customers with low prices and giant signs, but the record it leaves behind makes many wonder how it's still open. After this, it's hard to believe it gets worse, but the next buffet sets a record nobody wants. 1. Yoki Buffet, Cleveland, Tennessee, September 2024. Inspectors in Bradley County walk into Yoki Buffet and walk out with a score so low it stops traffic. 33 out of 100. That's what the report shows. On the list, 39 violations, some involving week-old food served to guests. Others include sanitation failures that made local news channels send full crews out. And when those stories hit, regulars who had overlooked the signs started asking themselves if they'd ever go back. On Yelp, it barely cracks 1 star. One reviewer posted a photo of the health score taped to the window. Another shared they left the minute they saw it, refusing to risk food poisoning. Eventually, Yoki climbed its score back into the 80s. But the damage had been done. In a small town, a number that low stays in your head. Every forkful becomes a trustfall. And now that we've seen the worst, it's time for a shift. There are still buffets where every dollar feels worth it, and every dish feels cared for. One of them costs more than most restaurants, but once you're inside, you understand why. Best 2. Bacchanal Buffet. You walk in and it feels like you've stepped into a food cathedral. Every station glows. Every dish feels intentional. Welcome to Bacchanal. Caesar's Palace spent $17 million building this monster. Inside its 25,000 square feet are 9 open kitchens, and hundreds of dishes rotated daily. Up to 500 at peak. Think Wagyu hot dogs, fire-roasted bone marrow, and street-style tacos made fresh while you wait. By 2015, Bacchanal was winning buffet awards coast to coast. USA Today called it the best in America. Las Vegas Weekly followed suit. And when the pandemic hit, Caesars closed the whole room, only to reopen it in 2021 with roving carts, new dishes, and even more spectacle. That renovation pushed Bacchanal past its already huge ceiling. Diners today talk about endless options, impeccable timing, and the rare feeling of walking out with zero regrets, even after dropping $70 or more per person. In a city where buffets are fading, Bacchanal sets a new bar. But what if you want elegance without the crowd? The final buffet proves you don't need size to make a meal feel like cinema. Best 1. The buffet at Wynn. At Wynn, everything moves slower, smoother, and more quietly. It's not just a buffet, it's a performance in real time. The dining room looks like a floral dreamscape. High ceilings, curved windows, soft light on golden tables. There are 16 live stations, over 90 dishes in constant cycle, and a sense of calm that feels earned. Unlike others that stack food high, Wynn uses smaller pans and fast swaps to keep everything fresh. Reviewers talk about silky crab bisque, made-to-order risotto, and fresh-baked desserts you can't believe came from a buffet line. After the 2020 shutdown, Wynn returned with a tighter focus, better rotation, and an upscale vibe that made the price, around $60 for brunch, feel like a trade, not a splurge. For many, the optional bottomless wine and cocktails seal the deal. Eater Vegas continues ranking it among the top. And those who visit leave saying the same thing. It's the one buffet you'll want to dress up for. Because in the end, some buffets give you food, a few give you a story, and the rarest ones, like Wynn, leave you planning your next visit before the first plate is even empty. Now you've seen how bad it can get. But there's more. Some stories get even stranger, others way better. Click the next video. The next buffet twist is just ahead.